No flower attracts butterflies better than buddleia. But the spent flowers are not very handsome and should be deadheaded. Cut them back to a pair of leaves. This should produce further flowers for a few weeks to come. September is the best month for planting daffodil bulbs into long grass, and I'm replanting the pseudo-narcissus that we gathered when we made the new mound beds. Try and plant it twice its own depth if you can. Cover it over and then leave it to do what it does best. Marjoram in flower is beautiful, smells fantastic, and is a magnet for bees and pollinating insects. But once the flowering is over, you should cut it back. Otherwise, the growth will get wet and suppress the plant beneath it. And don't just take the flower heads off. Cut it right back to the ground and remove all this year's growth.